The circuit. Are you ready for this? 100 days, bro.
Whew.
Does
That seems a little crazy.
Whew, man, 200 and again, guys, welcome to episode 136 of the Drag Drive Repeat Show, presented by Summit Racing. 200 racers and 27 road trippers. We got a lot of people to feature, man. That's 2 a day minimum.
Oh yeah, I'm good.
Going all those, yeah. So, guys, we need either reply to that email that I sent out thanking you for coming to the circuit with cars and details, or send them to the Facebook page here. Send them to the messenger, something like that. Please help us gather all these, because it really, you can spend hours upon hours upon hours going and finding these photos and making sure that it's the right car and the right person and all that stuff. So help us out a little bit there. Send us a picture of what you're going to be bringing to the circuit 2026.
Okay, Clark, I have 100 days to build a twin turbo setup for my wagon.
Plenty of time. Plenty of time. It's been a lot of other stuff built a lot quicker than that. So this will be the racer card for this year. So this is what you guys will see when you send in this one here, John Shaw out here in the G-Body stick shift Malibu, and then Jordan Shaw in the G8 and Lee Shaw in the C10. These dudes are all signed up for I thought they were all signed up for you versus you, but I was wrong. 12 index for Jordan in the G8. So These will begin to drop. Obviously these photos tonight, I'll drop these, and then we'll begin kind of putting these out. I would love to do 5 or 6 a day. We'll have to see how quickly we can roll through some of these. So Joe's been working diligently gathering all of those, and then Eric does the artwork here for us to have right here on these. So appreciate you, dude. You're awesome.
Oh yeah, they look good this year.
Yeah, I dig it a bunch. It's going to be really fun, and I like the asphalt in the back because of the Route 66 travel is going to be. I mean, we're going to be almost 300 miles on Route 66. So,
I can't wait.
Yeah, bring it on. Well, sir, just want to say thank you so much, guys. Race Car Friends stuff has been crazy. You guys are awesome for sharing stuff. It's been, I think we've had more shares in the last 4 days on the videos that Brian has been editing than we've had in like the last year that he's been doing this. So it's pretty cool to see that kind of momentum really start kicking up. And the topics we've had this year have been incredible. The guests we've had have been incredible, and we're only getting started. So thank you guys so much for being here. We appreciate you. And then of course our sponsors, man, we couldn't do this without them. So if you're shopping, please hit these guys up, see if there's something in there that you can, make your car go faster or do better with drag and drive stuff. Who knows? Summit Racing, obviously title sponsor here of the show and news and the circuit event that we put on. Deechworks, the official fuel delivery of Drag Drive Repeat. Molly Motorsports, best pistons in the game. Driven Racing Oil, they just keep all your stuff moving around like it's in circles. That's what it's supposed to do. Howard's Cams, our boy Luke B over there taking care of everybody. Valve Train Wise, J-Wire Solutions, wiring stuff. This guy, plug and play harnesses, can wire and plumb your hot rod, all that kind of stuff. Avco Racing Products. I've been sharing a ton of the, highlights posts from the last couple of days. People have been sharing a lot of stuff about our boy Eric Saffel at Avco, Performer Built Transmissions, best GM transmission builder in the game. Car Chains 3D, tons of not just keychains, but tons of mounts and things like that for your hot rod. Power Tube TV, WAF Racing, Sweet Patina, and Racing Junk Classifieds, all getting down in there doing all the same stuff. So if you're shopping, please hit them up.